Tell the story.
Hello. What's your name?
Lily.
Where are you going?
To my granny's house.
Where does your granny live?
At the end of this way, at the end of this path.
Well, I know a path you should take. It's that one. And it's shorter. And it has lots of pretty flowers you can pick for your dear old granny.
Oh, thank you. I didn't make it to Grandma's house.
No. Ah, I'm gonna get you, Granny.
No, it's there.
Who is it?
It's Willis, right?
Come in, dear. The better to hear you with, my dear.
What big eyes you have.
The better to see you with, my dear.
What big teeth you have.
The better to eat you with. Ah.
Hey, stop that. Oh, I'm the woodcutter.
Oh,
Stop
no.
that. Stop that. Get out of there. I saved the day. I am not Aladdin. I am not. Hello. Oh, what's that? What's that noise?
Yeah, I'll get that.
Who is that?
Oh, it's grandmother. She was tied up in the closet.
Yay, she's saved. Yay. I don't need that magic carpet either. So,
Let's have some
the
tea
woodcutter.
and cake.
Oh, time to go.